Introducing MS Office, the comprehensive suite of productivity tools designed to streamline your work and enhance collaboration. With MS Office, you can create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations effortlessly. Seamlessly integrate your data with familiar applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, allowing you to work more efficiently and effectively. Collaborate in real time with colleagues, sharing files, and making edits together, no matter where you are. Stay organized with Outlook, managing your emails, appointments, and tasks all in one place. MS Office empowers you to work smarter, not harder, providing the tools you need to succeed in today's fast-paced professional world. Upgrade to MS Office now and join the millions who trust its innovative solutions for their everyday tasks.